Hi guys, how are you? Now I would like to discuss to continue about the online admin. Now create an Amazon affiliate WordPress shop. One downside of shipping is that you have to find a good suppliers, which can be a challenge and sometimes you have to place a large order upfront. This can make it difficult to get started without investing a lot of money. If you want an easier way to set up an e-commerce site without having to ship products yourself, then you may want to try an Amazon affiliate shop. As with many of the items on this list, this works best if you specialize in a niche. If you offer everything, it's impossible to compete with a big shop like Amazon, but in a small niche you can differentiate yourself and really stand out. For complete instructions, now you can see our tutorials about it. Offering platform as a service. WordPress comes with some incredible powerful plugins that are actually full-fledged platform in their own right. You can edit or search a platform to your blog, e-commerce store and offer it as a paid service. You get a cut from each sale, which allows you to earn passive income from user activity on your website. Now another way where that we have to discuss to create an online marketplace website. An online marketplace is like an e-commerce store where users can not just buy but also sell their own products. Normally, WooCommerce assumes that you run a single vendor website. You will need a plugin like WC Vendor to turn WooCommerce into a multi-vendor capable platform. After that, vendors will be able to register on your site and start selling. You can make money by charging commission on each sale, or you can allow vendors to buy membership package for their listings. For more details, see you can guideline on how to make an online marketplace using WordPress. Now we have to discuss about another way, make an auction website. An auction website allows users to bid on products to purchase them. This allows the sellers to maximize their profits and customers to find unique deals. eBay is probably the best example of an online auctions marketplace. You can run auctions on your WordPress website and even allows third-party vendors to list their products as well. You can make money by charging for a listing or by getting a cut on each sale. To build an auction marketplace with WordPress, you will need the following add-ons. WooCommerce for shopping cart and payment features, an auctions add-on, a multi-vendor add-on. For step-by-step instructions, see our guideline on how to build an eBay-like auction website using WordPress. Thank you.